with a massive 270 crore rupees of naval order supporting India's self-reliance initiative, ambitious $2 billion of revenue target for 2030, and an impressive 85% of stock surge in just 2 years. This power sector player is making strategic moves in defense sector. As they expand internationally and diversify beyond their traditional engines, now we'll get to know what's behind this industrial giant's amazing growth. Stay tuned in the video to know more. Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Tesla Advisory, and in today's episode, we will be dive into 3 companies that are making moves that could shape their future long-term growth. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any kind of decision or investment. So today's lineups are Balaxy Pharmaceuticals Limited, Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited, and ACME Solar Holdings Limited. Let's start with the first company, Balaxy Pharmaceuticals Limited. This company is an IPR-based pharmaceutical company specializing in producing, stocking, selling and supplying branded and generic medicine. Recently, this company's delivery volume has surged 97% compared to the previous day of 45%. And an overall monthly average of 61%, which is driven by significant institutional accumulation and a recently announced 1:5 stock split aimed at boosting the liquidity and retail participation. If we talk about the financials, in the third quarter of FY25, revenue stood at 77 crore rupees, marking a 5.4% quarter-on-quarter growth, with the net profit margins reaching 6.9%, up by 60 basis points. With 897 registered products and 300 plus in the pipeline, this company is expanding its branded OTC portfolio across antibiotics and anti-malarials, positioning itself for the sustained growth over the next 2 to 3 years. Now, coming to the second company, Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited. This company is a manufacturer of diesel engines, diesel generator sets and various pump sets, serving the agriculture, power generation and industrial sectors from its manufacturing units in Pune, Kangal and Nasik. This company recently secured a 270 crore rupees of order in Indian Navy for the design and development of medium speed marine diesel engine of 6 megawatt capacity under the Make in India scheme. Talking financially, in the third quarter of FY25, revenue stood at around 1464 crore rupees with the EBITDA margins at 17.5%. This company outlined ambitious plans to achieve $4 billion in revenue by FY2030 through their long-term B2B strategy. Now coming to the last company, ACME Solar Holdings Limited. This company is an independent renewable energy power producer with 2,540 megawatt of operational solar capacity across all over India. This company develops, owns and operates utility-scale solar, wind, hybrid and FDRE projects, selling power primarily to the government-backed off-takers. This company recently secured 2,491 crore rupees in long-term refinancing from SBI and REC at a lower 8.8% interest rate to reduce its debt cost for its 490 megawatt of renewable energy projects. Now, financially, in the third quarter of FY25, revenue stood at 401 crore rupees, marking a 35.8% quarter-on-quarter growth with impressive EBITDA margins of 88%, up by 300 basis points. This company aims to achieve 7 gigawatt of capacity by 2028 and further expand to 10 gigawatt by 2030, with a target of 700 crore rupees of EBITDA by 2030. Now, let's review some of our previous picks. First is Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, which we covered at 345.8 rupees, now at 349 rupees, up by 0.9%. Then Gallant Ispat Limited, which we covered at 367 rupees, now at 420 rupees, up by 14.4%. Then Power Mech Projects Limited, which we covered at 2,299 rupees, now at 2,650 rupees, up by 15%. Then Vatek Wabag Limited, which we covered at 1,537 rupees, now at 1,418 rupees, down by 7%. Then Kitex Garments Limited, which we covered at 170.9 rupees, now at 177 rupees, up by 3.6%. In the summary of all the recent filings, Balaxy Pharma experienced significant delivery volume surged to 97%, drawing the institutional interest with its 1:5 stock split. Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited secured 270 crore rupees order from the Indian Navy for marine diesel engine development, strengthening its defense sector footprint. Now, lastly, ACME Solar Holdings Limited obtained 2,491 crore rupees of refinancing at favorable rates. That's a wrap up for today's Noise Picker. For more details, you can check out our full report in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.